Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video I'm gonna show you how to slow-mo in Capcut. So how to make a slow motion video in Capcut. Here you need to import your video and then click on the video and click on speed, and here choose normal. And if you want to make it slower, you need to swipe the circle to the left like this, so it'll make the video longer. I'm going to go with 0.5 seconds, and then here click on this to make it smoother. So here click on that and then click on a check icon, and now it will be processing the smooth motion to your video. You can just wait until the processing is fully finished. So I'm going to get back to when it's finished. Okay guys, so now the smooth slow motion has been applied and the video will go like this. So you can see now it's slow-mo and it's different from the original version. Okay guys, so that is how you can slow-mo in Capcut. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, please don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.